Hi everyone, can you solve this basic O-level A-Math question on trigonometry? Feel free to pause this video to try out first. Alright, let's get started. The angles A and B are such that sine A equals to negative 12 over 13 and tangent B equals to 3, where A and B are in the same quadrant. Find the exact value of each of the following. So the very first step is to draw out ASTC. This is to find out which quadrant angle A and B lies in. Since sine A is negative and tangent B is positive, and they are in the same quadrant, they can only lie in quadrant 3. So for part A, let's draw out our angle alpha with opposite 12 and hypotenuse 13. Using Pythagoras theorem, we can find the adjacent length, which is 5. Tangent negative A, using the trigonometric identity, we can simplify it to negative tangent A. And negative tangent A is equal to negative tangent alpha. And we know that tangent alpha is equals to opposite over adjacent. So our answer is negative 12 over 5. For part B, it is not as straightforward. Because it did not give us a fraction, we need to deduce what is the opposite and adjacent length. So we draw another triangle with angle alpha. We can deduce that the opposite is 3 and adjacent is 1, since 3 over 1 gives us 3. So sine pi over 2 minus b. Using trigonometric identity again, we can rewrite it as cosine b. And since cosine b is negative in the third quadrant, we need to add the negative sign. And negative cosine b equals to negative cosine alpha. Cosine alpha is equals to adjacent over hypotenuse. We can find the hypotenuse using Pythagoras theorem, which is square root 10. So cosine alpha is 1 over root 10. And this is our answer. Hope you get the correct answer. Do try out other questions in our profile. And if you need tuition, we have a few slots left in our classes. Do check our pin post for more details. Thank you.